Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, or that will be actually your home/main screen. Here you'll find the post of the memes, of the pages that you follow, that you like, that maybe could interested be to you, of your friends, and etc. Something like that. So, if you want to actually delete your account, all you need to do, just go and tap at the three lines at the top right corner. From here, you would like to go to your settings. Of course, you can do that by clicking at your settings icon here at the top right corner, or scrolling down, then click add settings and privacy, then click settings. Of course, those two options will take you into your settings and privacy. Here, you would like to scroll down to the YouTube information section and tap account ownership control. So we just scroll down until we find your Facebook information. So as you can see, here is our information. So all we need to do, just go and look for account ownership. So of course, if you didn't find it here, as you can see for me, so all you need to do then, just go and scroll up where you came from, then click add personal and account information. Here you will actually find account ownership and control. Of course, if you have maybe other version, you will find it where I told you like lately. Then you would like to click add deactivation and deletion. Here you would like to choose delete your account instead of deactivate your account. Then click add continue to account deletion, or delete, of course. Sorry, I couldn't say that. Anyway, then you would like to choose a reason. Of course, if you don't want to choose the reason, just click add continue to account deletion, of course. Then you would like just confirm that, and you will be actually good to go. All you need to do, just tap at continue to account deletion, then select delete account, then you will be good to go. So for me, I don't want to do that, so I'm just going back. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.